Welcome to section 10 of Motivation for Peak Performance. We are not designed to do things that are difficult. The human body is not designed to do things that are difficult. Our brains are designed to protect us from change or difficulty. The reason why it's wired that way is for survival. When there's a sudden change in environment in the old days, our instinct is to be careful. It's to pay attention to your surroundings because we are not wired for change. Why is it so hard to do little things to improve our life? Our minds are designed to stop us to do things that may hurt us. We all have a habit of hesitating. We have an idea in a meeting, we stop and we hesitate. The hesitation sends a signal to your brain or to my brain to question what's happening right now. And it's reacting in a manner that to protect you. It magnifies risks and pulls you away from what you think is a problem. When we are one decision from a totally different life, a totally different income, happiness, health, and so on. Our life comes down to decisions that we make every day. This changing our decisions changes our life. We made the decision to eat the wrong food, the decision to get mad at our kids, and a decision not to speak in meetings. However, we suffer from the result. How do you decide when you are faced with difficulty? Do you initially hesitate? Why do you hesitate? Hesitation is a self defense mechanism. It helps protect us. For instance, I hesitate to speak out in a meeting because I may look stupid. So there's this. It's magnified beyond the norm. That's why in my previous slide I said that we have a tendency to magnify a risk so that we are protecting ourselves. It's an instinct. Then how would we discover our greatness if we keep hesitating? We know that we know what we can do, but we cannot motivate ourselves to do it. How do we stop thinking about what we need to do and just do it? Just do it. We need to develop the skill to hear what our brain is telling us before we hesitate. We all want to build a better life. I want to build a better life. You want to build a better life. So, how do you go from knowledge to action? There's this study, and there's even a book written about it, that the key to stopping from hesitating is to count backwards from 5 to 1. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's called the 5 second rule. And they say that if you don't move right after the fifth second, your brain will stop you. Your brain will come up with an excuse to make you hesitate. Your brain will magnify the real risk to stop you from acting. You have 5 seconds to go from an idea, a great idea that can change your life, into action. A 5 second decision stops you from hesitating. You have 5 seconds before your brain starts putting hesitation in front of you. Once you start getting into the habit of the 5 second rule, you will notice that you're going to get a lot of things done. You're going to be able to accomplish things that you have not accomplished before simply because you hesitated. You will be more highly in tune with what you want in life. This is much better than motivation because you're beating your mind from hesitation. You will realize how much garbage we put in our dreams. We all know what to do. You and I know what to do. You and I know what the next steps are. We just don't do it because we allow our minds to hesitate. We allow our minds to stop us from taking action. You can direct yourself if something is important for you. You need to interrupt your habit of hesitation. You need to stop your self doubt. You need to stop your procrastination by doing the 5 second countdown or the 5 second rule. This technique is used in the military. Diba? When the military wants to line up its cadets, it counts from five, four, three, two, one. In school, when I was younger, and we would want to be assembled in front of the school flag for flag ceremony. In the loudspeaker, our teachers would do a countdown: five, four, three, two, one. We are wired to count down and to take action. Next time you encounter an important situation where change is needed, count backwards, 5 to 1, and just do it. Just do it before your mind starts pushing negative thoughts. So that will stop you. Think of the last time you need to do something very important. That's very important not only for you, for your family, for your health, for your career. The last time that you needed to do something important, what happened? Did you hesitate or did you proceed? If you hesitated, why did you hesitate? How long did you uh, dwell before you hesitated?